Whether you're watching footy or just trying to meet a deadline, sports idioms are everywhere in British English. From being on the ball to throwing in the towel, these expressions go far beyond the pitch. Welcome back to your daily cup of English. I'm Jimmy, and this is lesson 14 of our British Idioms speaking course. Today, we're jumping into the world of sports and competition with phrases you can use both in the game and in life. I'll go through 5 useful idioms and you'll hear them in a longer, fun dialogue. And then we'll practice them together, so you can speak more confidently in a casual, competitive, or even motivational conversations. Like, subscribe, and tap that bell, because we're not throwing in the towel, we're just getting started. Here are the 5 British idioms and their meanings that we're going to be learning how to use today. Idiom number 1 is on the ball. Alert, quick to understand or react. Idiom number 2, level playing field. A fair situation with equal chances. Idiom number 3, throw in the towel. To give up or admit defeat. And idiom number 4, a game changer. Something that significantly changes the outcome. And last idiom, last but not least, back to square one, meaning starting over from the beginning. Now, for the speaking practice, let me tell you how it works first. Part 1 is listen only. You listen to a full conversation using all 5 idioms. Pay close attention to the rhythm and the delivery. In part 2, it's your turn. It's your turn to speak. One side of the conversation will be muted and the words will come up on the screen. What I want you to do is read them words out aloud, so you and I are having a conversation. And imagine you're really in that moment, okay? And part 3, simple, we swap roles. Now, I'll say what you said and you say what I said. So, that's how the speaking part works. So, are you ready to have a conversation with me? Good. Now, the conversation is sports and competition idioms. Now, imagine we are 2 co-workers and we're chatting after a tough project meeting. You ready? Here we go. So, you think the new proposal will go through?
It could. That new intern is on the ball. She spotted a mistake none of us saw.
Yeah, she's impressive. Makes the rest of us look slow.
Haha. Well, the new budget plan might create a level playing field at least.
Hope so. I'm still annoyed we had to start over again. Last week, back to square one, just like that.
I know. I nearly threw in the towel that day. Total burnout.
But hey, Sam's automation idea, that's a game changer. Cut our prep time in half.
True, and that alone might save the whole project.
Right, let's stay sharp and finish strong. No more slip-ups.
Agreed. We've got this. Teamwork makes the dream work. Yeah?
So, you think the new proposal will go through? Yeah, she's impressive. Makes the rest of us look slow. Hope so. I'm still annoyed we had to start over again. Last week, back to square one. Just like that. But hey, Sam's automation idea, that's a game changer. Cut our prep time in half. Right, let's stay sharp and finish strong. No more slip-ups. It could. That new intern is on the ball. She spotted a mistake none of us saw. Well, the new budget plan might create a level playing field at least. I know. I nearly threw the towel in that day. Totally burnt out. True. That one might save the whole project. Agreed. We've got this. Teamwork makes the dream work, yeah? Whether you're on the pitch or in the office, these idioms are perfect for sounding fluent, confident, and ready to win. Use them when talking about challenges, strategy, or even when cheering someone on. Comment below using one of these idioms that you've learnt today. When was the last time you had to go back to square one? Or made a game-changing decision? Like, subscribe, and ring that bell, because lesson 15, we're getting techie with idioms for modern life and technology. You won't want to miss this one. So I'll see you in the next video. Ta-da!